Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making a little bit of a statement with this look. This is a very kind of traditional look, but still very eye-catching and very popping in my opinion. We all know of like the blue eyeshadow and then the red lip. I kind of decided to pair it together because I saw Evelina Forsell do like a blue matte eye look and then a red lip. I feel like it was a few weeks ago. And I decided to do the same thing, but instead of making it a little bit different, especially with the eyes, and I decided to make the lip quite glossy to add a little bit of moisture. So this is going to be the look for today. I hope you guys like it. And if you're interested in figuring out how I created it, then of course keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. You can basically use whatever palette you have on hand, honestly. Like, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to be using colors in here, and of course if you have similar options you can try those out, but I'm going to be going into this color right here, and I actually really like the fact that this is like a really blue, kind of like cerulean blue color, which I really like find myself like drawn to, and I feel like I want to apply this on the inner part of my eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of a smaller crease brush, dip it into that blue, and use it to blend out the edges of the blue. I'm then going to take this really deep blue shade and I'm going to pack this into the outer corner of my eye. I'm then going to take this smaller crease brush and dip it into that blue and use this to again blend out the edges of that darker blue. What I'm doing now is I'm basically packing that dark blue color on the same spot again and then going in with the same small crease brush to blend it out, and I'm kind of going back and forth to add to the intensity of that blue because I really want it to be a deep, dark, intense color, and yet I still want it to be quite blended and quite blown out as well. But now I kind of want to go in with a little bit of a shimmery blue, but first off I want to basically put a little bit of glitter glue on my eyes. Okay, so then I want to go in with a little bit of glitter glue. Then I'm going to grab a little bit of a metallic blue, and I don't really have one in this palette that I want to use. I know that there are several options, but I'm really looking for something super reflective and super metallic, and I'm going to go for one in the Hasina 2 from Blushtribe, and this is in the shade Mina. I love this color so much. It's absolutely beautiful, and of course like you don't have to use like this specific color, just use whatever you have, but I'm going to use this and I'm just going to press it with my fingertips into my eyelid right on top of that glitter glue. And then I want to go in with a little bit of foundation. I'm using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I have pretty much like only been using this foundation on my face and like no other foundation, because you guys know that like I do prefer like wearing no foundation, but for today's look I kind of want to go for like a little bit of a classic like just even face and then like really bright eyes and lips, and I feel like for that look I really want to do like very clean skin, so I'm going to basically be applying this strategically to the places that I really feel like I need that foundation, and then I'm going to blend it out later. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a pencil brush and dip it into this like really bright blue right here. It's a matte, and I'm going to pack this into my lower lash line. I'm then going to go ahead with this like really deep blue shade and kind of like use it to perfect the outer corner and merge it in with that lower lash line. And then I'm again taking this small crease brush and just blending out those edges. And then I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick in the shade Plum to line my lower waterline. Okay, that's looking a little bit choppy, not gonna lie, so I'm gonna try and fix it by taking this like deep dark shade, like the deep blue, and I'm just going to use that to smudge it even further. Then I'll take this color right here, this very icy blue, and use this as an inner corner highlight. And then for my face, I want to go for this little product right here. This is a loose highlight from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Santorini. It really gives me a very vivid highlight, which is what I want to go for with this look, so that's why I'm using it. And then I'm going to carve out my cheeks with this little bronzer right here that you guys know I really do love. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a light sculpting. Nothing too heavy, but I still want some structure. And then I'm going to go for a dark lip liner. I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Vixen. Now that I have my lip liner on, I'm going to go ahead with a red. Now this is the Fenty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. You guys know how much I love this. It is such a brilliant red color, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips. Also, what I want to do is I'm going to take a little bit of brown eyeshadow. And this is a palette from e.l.f. and I'm going to be taking like this color right here and I'm going to be applying it underneath my bottom lip. And then I'm going to blend out that line so it looks a little bit more natural, but really the point of this is to like really just enhance my lips and make them look bigger. So then I'm going to do a little bit of lash. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara and then apply my false lashes, and then the false lashes that I'm going to be using are going to be the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. Okay, and then I kind of want to just give my lips a little bit of a shine, so I'm going to be going in with the Jordana Cosmic Glow Holographic Lip Gloss in the shade number 1, and I'm just going to put this into the center of my lip. I I think that this gloss is not as wet as I'd like it to look, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk, and I'm just going to put that on top. And then let me just smooth it out with my finger. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Very simple, but still very dramatic and very much a statement kind of look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this tutorial a little bit useful, entertaining, inspiring, hopefully. But thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.